Hey folks, Das here. We're trying something new. This is Starbase Daily for August 13th through the 17th, 2024. Scenes from SpaceX in Boca Chica, courtesy Mary, Boca Chica Gal, and Starbase Live. There's Ship 30 over in the Rocket Garden. The tower module's in Carriage. The carriage is what holds the chopstick to the tower. There's the Starfactory Expansion. Might be connected to the office building. There's another view of the office building. Over here we've got B14.1, the test tank that was used for catch testing. We've got some sheet piles being installed over at Pad B. There you see Ship 26, which was lifted onto the work stand. Ship 30 got its decals installed. If you look closely, you can see Raptors being removed from Ship 26. There's Raptor 205. Donkey Kong carrying it around there. Here comes Raptor 212. Next up, we saw Raptor 202. Looks like the Raptor transporter broke down. Forklift couldn't handle. There's Ship 30 getting some tile work. And Ship 31 getting some tile replacements as well. Over the launch pad, the Chopsticks are being prepared for testing with B14.1. It's actually a methane header tank being loaded onto a truck. Looks like it was being moved to McGregor, likely for some testing out that way. Here you've got Raptor 198 being removed. That's Raptor 195. It says right there on it. See? Literally says the chopsticks moved around. On August 15th, we've got Ship 26 being lifted off the work stand. Here in the foreground, Module 8 moved out to the launch site for stacking on Tower 2. Back at the production site, Ship 26 returned to the Rocket Garden. Perhaps a stay of execution. Ship 33 section was moved around for stacking. And we've got Module 7 stacked on Tower 2. Back over at the office building, construction continues. There's that Starfactory expansion. And continued work on Ship 31's tiles. See, the tiles with the adhesive are being removed first. Back at the rocket garden, work continues on Ship 30. That's the S-34 header leaving for McGregor. The Tin Man. Here we've got the beginning of that B-14.1 testing. Looks like my 3D printer calibrating itself. On August 16th, we saw some catch testing with the Chopsticks and B-14.1. After the testing, B-14.1 was hooked up to the crane. Over here we've got the Nosecone tile reinstallation on Ship 31. And on August 17th, Test Tank 16 was moved out to Massey's. B-14.1 moved back to the production site. And Module 8 was stacked. There's only one more module to go, y'all. Over here we see the Test Tank 16 over at Massey's. B-14.1 at the production site. And work continuing on the Chopsticks after that catch testing was performed. Here you can see the ship QD mechanism being repaired. That's the quick disconnect. And some scaffolding being installed on Tower 2. Thanks again to Mary and all the operators who make Starbase Live happen, and thanks y'all for watching. If you got some comments for us, leave them down below. Thought this would be a new thing to try out and let you play this in the background, and if you hear something that sounds interesting, look over at the screen that you've got it playing on. But let us know if this works for you or not down in the comments. I'm DOS for NSF. We'll see you nerds later.